So here at Educare Flint, we service students that range in age from 6 weeks to 4 or 5 years old. When we first started this and in discussions with Dr. Jordan, there really is a lack of variety for seriated toys, graduated toys. You find like balls, circles, rings, and that's about the extent of it.
And serendipitously, I happened to be on a plane with Dr. Wallace sitting next to me. I told her I was working with young children and we couldn't find a variety. And she said she thought Kettering could fix that problem by designing some for the children.
IME 100 is taken by all College of Engineering students at Kettering. In the course, they learn the basics of engineering design and manufacturing. They design toys that were then donated to the Flint Educare facility.
They've created animals that are in different shapes, vehicles for some of the older toddlers. They like cars, they like ramps, all of these different things that can attract their interest, because that's how children are going to learn best.
The teachers tell me that they see the children playing with them longer than whatever else we give them. There's one that they call the tree, and it turns into a fish. It's open-ended. It uses different angles. It really is a beautiful toy, and it's sturdy, and the children love it. The Kettering students, it's been a joy. They really got interested in what the children do and what we do with the children, and it was a joy to see them get down on the floor at the children's level and interact with the children. One of the things the students learned was some of the things they made were not strong enough for a toddler, so the toddlers were able to break them. Things like that.
Teacher!